Look out, folks, because here comes the Raven.
The following movie is rated I.
Yes, I'm back down in Florida. Got a key tag going out already. Thanks, Robin. Let's see how this lithium battery held up, huh? There's also an update for this I'm gonna have to do that allows miles per hour. Choke. Oh wow. Fired right up. It's been like what, 2.5 months? So there it is. First vehicle to ride on a new slab for the garage. Let's see if it'll connect that easily. I don't think it will. Yeah, automatically asking for the latest firmware. While it's doing that, I'm gonna shut off the coordinates because we don't need that. Now that's supposed to have an alarm that comes on. I didn't test that last time. Alright, it's uploading the package. Looks like it's restarting. Shouldn't technically need that anymore. I just want to see the speedometer work. We already know that CarPlay works. Yeah, Raven's running good, huh? Getting cheeky with it. It says kilometer miles per hour. Let's see. More. Oh, here we go. That's under more. Bam. And show miles per hour now. It's chilly down here at night, but nothing like up in Connecticut up north. I mean, the sun is out now and it's not bad. I don't need a jacket. Thanks for buying one of my awesome key tags. I left 8 degrees in the morning up in Connecticut. Come down and it's about 60, 65 in the sun. So I see a few of you guys ordered these. Comment how you think they are. Like, out of all the ones that I've reviewed, this one seems to be the best. I know it's pricey, and people are comparing it to, say, the Garmin one that they have, but the Garmin one doesn't have camera. It's basically just, you know, the GPS. So this is the same price as the Garmin, but it comes with a front and rear camera that records. It's showing up here, it's showing your direction. I didn't notice that last time. That must have been in the update. Yeah, and the arrow showing your direction if you're going north or south. And as you remember, the last time I took the videos off of this, it was pretty comparable to the GoPro video. I mean, it's 30 frames per second. My GoPro's set for 60 frames per second. But video quality, light dampening, the sound, the microphone comes from here, so can't expect too much. But it's pretty comparable to the GoPro video. Field of view too. I mean, I use Super View, so this wide field of view, 170 degrees, very, very nice. And of course, it'd be nice for a UTV, ATV. Pretty much anything that you don't have a speedometer and a camera system on. If you want all the specs, you can go down, check out my first video. Let's see, I'm noticing here, it's showing my elevation even, 31 foot elevation. because now it's in feet because I went to miles per hour. Campground coming along. Got a blind spot monitor there. Waiting to see if something sets it off. I think it's supposed to flash and audible. Although I don't know how loud this is going to be on a motorcycle. It says I'm 0 feet. Kinda right. So somewhat accurate. Brother. Gotta pop into CVS here. Get a birthday card for my kid. Never been into CVS. Yeah, that was a small honey-do list today. Now, if I mentioned to you guys about 6 months ago or so, maybe a year ago, I was saying there's no miniature golf courses around here in Crystal River. And I was saying, well, if I had a couple $1 million to dump into it, I bet you'd make a killing here. Because it is somewhat of a attraction with the manatees and the scallops and old Florida. Someone beat me to it. I'll take a ride over and show you where it's going to go. A couple miles from my house. I like miniature golf. I like the movie Caddyshack. One of my favorites. R.I.P. Lacey Underalls. She passed away, I don't know, about a month ago. They repaired their fence for the buffaloes. Now they have a home where the buffalo roam. I got another e-bike, boys. This one with my dad in mind. It's a 3-wheel e-bike. And I know a lot of you have been asking for me to review one of those. So we're going to do that in the next week or so. So back to the golf course, miniature golf course. I guess it's some people that moved down here 6-8 years ago. It's family owned, it's not going to be a chain, and they're going to have a go at it. It's a great idea. I think they'll do well, because the nearest mini golf course to here, geez, I think it's down like north of Tampa somewhere, quite a ways. Okay, it's somewhere on this road. Well, there it is. Crystal River Mini Golf. Pretty cool. Well, look at that. Here's the back end. They're not open yet. Getting there. Let's see. See if anybody's in there. No, they're still working on it. Anybody here? Anybody here? No, nobody's here. Well, darn. Maybe another time. At least we got a little sneak peek of what it looks like inside. In the rough. It's good to be on two wheels again. Some two-wheel therapy. And you know, these little bikes get a lot of miles per gallon. That's right. Lots of miles per gallon. Morgan Electric. I'm gonna have to see how much they'll charge to do my service. Someone might be putting another house in. Power line time. The dumpster's still here. And when we came in 10 o'clock 2 nights ago, there was no garbage dumped here. Next morning, get up to go get breakfast with the wife, and someone, no, they picked it up. Good. Someone dumped a whole bunch of garbage here. I mean, come on. There's a freaking dumpster right there. I was gonna come back and pick it up myself. Wasn't a lot. It's gonna be nice to have a nice big garage. Got a 2-post lift coming too. Good ride, Raven. Middle of January, riding short sleeves. You gotta love it. Stay tuned.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.